One of the things that I was really most excited to talk to you about and requires probably the most plumbing is answering the question on what's the sales cycle impact of all that's going on. So this is one of those things that we would have wanted to turn on maybe a year ago, set up and turn on a year ago so that we'd have the ability to use it now. But just to explain, what we do with this technique is to date stamp opportunity stage changes, and then to calculate the duration between stage to stage. We have a blog article that a gentleman on our team, Vincent, wrote. So that's at bit.ly/track_stage changes. I'll just pull that up here on the screen. And the article has a 24-minute video explaining how to do it. It talks about the problem, talks about the solution, and it actually offers a second solution as well for how to go put this together. So this is on the OpFocus website. I don't want to spend a ton of time on it because it's a lot of plumbing, but essentially what this gives us the ability to do is start to show averages. We might show averages by sales region or averages by sales rep and by sales stage. So we have a timestamp field for each one of the stages. Every time an opportunity moves, we put something in there using Process Builder. Separately, we also have formula fields. So each column essentially has a date stamp column, and so each opportunity stage has a date stamp and has a formula to do the math. If you're going to consider this, I strongly suggest as a best practice, do this after you update your sales methodology. So if you have a new head of sales coming in and she wants to implement a new sales methodology, I'd suggest making the changes to your sales methodology and then doing the plumbing work, because if you're changing around stage names and whatnot, that impacts the date stamp fields and the calculations. When you do first turn this on, we have another specific challenge, which is most of us already have a bunch of open pipeline. You can use field history to go identify old stage changes. There's a bit of work to do in Excel, but you can load the data into Salesforce.